Let's make a pretty paper flower frame. Make sure to have the right and complete materials. First, cut a colored paper into square shape. Then we will fold it into a triangle. And then we fold it again. Take the flap and fold it outwards and do the same to the other flap of the paper. Then we fold it once more. Get the scissors to cut the excess part. Then open the fold and then cut both sides of the paper in a curve way or curve motion, like a petal. And then open the entire paper. Now we have a paper flower. Repeat the same process with another colored paper. Here we have purple and yellow flowers. Then put glue at the center and place the other flower at the top or above. Then let's put a cute pearl in the middle. So I made 3 paper flowers, set it aside for later. Then get another colored paper and cut it into a shape of a flower pot. Get a ruler and place it near the edge of the paper and fold the paper towards the ruler. There we go, so fold it. And then do the same to the other side of the paper. So fold. And then cut the excess part. Get the whole sheet of colored paper, then put glue on the folded sides of the flower pot and press it on the sheet. There we go. Then cut thin strips of green colored paper. This will be the stems of the flower. Then slide the strips inside the flower pot. And then finally, get the paper flower, put glue under, and press it on the end of the stems or strip. Then repeat until all the stems are filled with the flowers. And then add touches to the flower pot. And there we have it, a pretty paper flower frame. Great job and thanks for watching this tutorial. See you on the next video. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.